Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Listen and Learn. Today we are going to talk about the best Friday. Friday is not just the end of the week, it is a special day full of blessings, relaxation, and positivity. So let's explore why Friday is called the best day of the week. Friday is often called the best day of the week because it carries a unique charm that no other day can match. From the moment we wake up on Friday morning, there is a different type of energy in the air. People know that after a long week of hard work, school, or study, a break is waiting for them just around the corner. This anticipation makes Friday mornings feel lighter and brighter. Unlike other weekdays, Friday is filled with hope and relief because people know they will soon have time to relax and refresh themselves. For working people, Friday means the completion of tasks, the wrapping up of projects, and the chance to leave behind the stress of the office. For students, Friday means the end of classes and the beginning of freedom where they can spend more time on hobbies, fun, or simply resting. This universal sense of excitement makes Friday stand out. It is like the world collectively agrees that this day is a gift at the end of a long journey. Another reason why Friday is so special is that it combines productivity with relaxation. People work hard on Friday to finish everything on time, but at the same time, they carry happiness in their hearts because they know rest is near. This balance between hard work and joy makes Friday unique. Unlike Saturday or Sunday, which are pure holidays, Friday carries both responsibility and excitement. It gives us the motivation to complete the week successfully and the joy of knowing that relaxation is just a few hours away. No matter which country, culture, or background you belong to, Friday always has a sense of happiness, relief, and positivity. It is not just the end of the week, it is the beginning of peace, family bonding, and refreshing moments. Friday also has a deeper spiritual and cultural value, especially in many parts of the world. For Muslims, Friday is known as Juma, the most blessed day of the week. It is a day of gathering, prayer, and reflection. People come together in mosques, listen to the Friday sermon, and connect with their faith in a powerful way. The feeling of unity and peace on Friday makes it a day of spiritual refreshment. For others, Friday may not have the same religious meaning, but it still represents joy, freedom, and family time. Many people use Friday evenings to have dinner with family, meet friends, or simply enjoy their favorite activities. The transition from the busy work week to a relaxing weekend begins on Friday, and this shift brings happiness to everyone. Moreover, Friday carries cultural importance in modern life as well. It has become a symbol of celebration in movies, music, and social media. We often hear people say, "Thank God it's Friday," or use the short form TGIF to express excitement. This shows how Friday has become a universal language of happiness. People feel that Friday gives them a license to pause, smile, and enjoy life. Businesses and schools also recognize the special vibe of Friday. Workplaces often allow casual dress codes or early leave on Fridays to make employees feel relaxed. Schools may arrange lighter schedules or fun activities to make the day special for students. Even entertainment industries release new movies or shows on Friday evenings to give people a fresh start to the weekend. All of these traditions and practices make Friday not just a day, but a celebration of life itself. When we think about Friday, we realize it represents both balance and blessings. It is a reminder that life is not just about working endlessly, but also about pausing, connecting, and enjoying the gifts we have. Truly, Friday deserves the title of the best day because it gives us hope, peace, joy, and togetherness all at once. Another reason Friday is called the best day is that it gives people a chance to reset and reconnect with themselves. Throughout the week, we are often too busy with work, deadlines, meetings, and studies. Life sometimes feels like a constant race where we hardly get a moment to breathe. But when Friday comes, it feels like a gentle reminder to slow down. People start to think about self-care, relaxation, and the importance of balance in life. For many, Friday evening is a perfect time to reflect on the week, to look back at what was achieved, and to prepare mentally for the weekend ahead. Some people write down their weekly accomplishments, while others set new goals for the upcoming week. This habit of reflection makes Friday not just an ending, but also a new beginning. Moreover, Friday nights are filled with joy because people engage in different activities that bring them happiness. Some may go out for dinner, watch movies, or spend quality time with family and friends. Others may use the evening for personal hobbies like reading, painting, or simply relaxing with music. The beauty of Friday is that it allows flexibility. Everyone can choose how they want to enjoy it. Unlike weekdays where schedules control us, Friday gives us control over our time. Another important aspect of Friday is the emotional comfort it provides. People know that they can finally rest, sleep a little longer, and wake up without pressure the next day. This sense of freedom and relaxation reduces stress and makes Friday a healing day. In fact, many psychologists say that looking forward to Friday helps people remain motivated throughout the week. It gives hope in difficult times and encourages patience because the reward is near. Beyond personal life, Friday also strengthens social bonds. Communities often organize events, gatherings, or family dinners on Friday evenings. This creates a sense of togetherness, reminding us that life is not just about individual success, but also about sharing happiness with others. Whether through laughter at a dinner table, a walk in the park, or a friendly conversation, Friday nurtures relationships. It is a day that combines inner peace, social connection, and cultural joy. Truly, the magic of Friday is not just in ending the week, but in opening the door to new memories, opportunities, and moments of gratitude. So, Friday is more than just the end of the week. It is a symbol of joy, faith, family, and balance. It truly deserves to be called the best Friday. Now, I would love to hear from you. How do you spend your Friday? Do you use it for rest, fun, or spiritual growth? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to listen and learn from more inspiring content. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Listen and Learn channel, and follow us on TikTok and Facebook for more English learning tips every day.